there is a shortage of the rabies vaccine in India, and there is a new player in the market which hopes to bridge the gap. I have with me Dr. Krishna Ella. He is the chairman cum managing director of Bharat Biotech Limited, a company which he started in 1997, probably still a startup in a way, but he just bought a multinational company. Very rarely do we hear of an Indian company buying a multinational company. Dr. Ella, tell me a little bit about this multinational company you bought and what is the product.
I think you're absolutely right. 1997, we are a startup, and Bharat Biotech. Today, Bharat Biotech is now grown, helping the country and global health also. And rotavirus, typhoid conjugate, a lot of other vaccines, we are doing it. And I think this is the first time an Indian company acquiring a multinational company, Chiron Behring, the oldest vaccine manufacturers in the world. It is an American and German company. Chiron was an American name, and Behring was a original hexed company. Both made a joint venture, and in the process, this multinational company was with the GSK, Novartis to GSK. The first time now Bharat Biotech purchased the multinational company with a brand, sort of the product and quality and everything, and the market access, everything we purchased. And I think these are truly a make in India for global health.
So what people may call you brash as to go about an Indian company buying a multinational company is kind of unheard of, especially in the pharma sector where the competition is so strict. What gave you the confidence to go ahead and buy a multinational?
I think I always believe small ant can be a bigger in front of elephant also. The small ant can even go into the ears of the elephant and can kill the elephant. And the small company like us, we have a dream. We have a dream to make it a global companies. And the Chiron Behring gives an access to get into global health.
And what is this rabies vaccine, and how will this help India bridge the gap which is there in demand and supply?
The Chiron Behring was the original brand. Rabipure was the oldest product in the world, and they are even now sold in US and Europe. That's the only product is sold in those countries also. And I think today now we purchase this product, and now the same quality, same standards, everything. Only management is different with the Bharat Biotech, and going to be accessible to entire global health. And we will be able to reach more than 45 countries with immediately to 45 countries reaching rabies. And rabies is certainly a preventable disease, and it can be nasty, it can be dangerous, and I think we're proud that we will be able to save more people in the country.
What is the goal? I heard something called 0 by 30. What does that mean for rabies?
2030, WHO has mandated they want to have rabies-free one world health. That means they want to control the rabies in dogs and rabies in the humans. Unless we control the dogs also, you can't control the human. So in India, the problem is in a villages level, whatever the leftover food, the ladies, they feed the local stray dogs. And what happens, the dog becomes attached to the lady who served the food. And the dog also starts sleeping along with the people in the rural villages. And when a baby is there, if baby by chance something pulling, the dog bites them. So really, I'm telling you, the situation at the grassroots level is realities are different. And poor people, and you can't kill that stray dog because the woman attached with the dog by feeding every day, whatever the leftover food. So there's so much emotional touch at a grassroots level, and we can't disturb that. So what we can do is help them so that the dog is also saved from the dog vaccine, and also human are saved from the vaccination.
So as Bharat Biotech becomes a truly multinational company, when can we expect it to become the number one player in vaccine for the world?
See, we are extremely good in technology and manufacturing, but we are not reaching yet in the marketing. Marketing, we know it needs time for us to build that. But thanks to right now, we are not anymore Indian company. We are really multinational already. The reason I'm telling you, Abbott is marketing my Bharat Biotech vaccine in a different brand name. So they're marketing our vaccine. Now we acquired the Chiron Behring, a multinational company. So we are already working with the multinationals in a way. At the same time, we understand their strategy and their interest of public health, and we want to be partner with all of them. And our goal is to reach the public health, and that truly an Indian company save a child in Africa, in Nairobi or in Ethiopia. Can we save them? And can we save them in Latin America, Peru or Brazil or some other children? That gives a lot of satisfaction for an Indian company that we were able to save those children in those part of the world also.
So that was Dr. Krishna Ella, the chairman cum managing director of Bharat Biotech Limited, saying that saving lives is his goal. And this Bharat Biotech acquiring a multinational company should become a watershed moment for India. India looking up to the global market and reaching out. In New Delhi, Pallava, Bagla.